Hola, ¿qué tal? Today we are going to start with the presentation, finally. Yeah, we are going to do like a very short dialogue, basic dialogue, not difficult at all, where we are going to talk a little bit about who we are. And yeah, we are going to give information such as our name, our age, where are we from. So, ¿preparados? Vamos. So, at the beginning, you know that we say hola, por ejemplo. Hola. Hola. And we write, I don't know why, but in Spanish we have to write at the beginning, opening the exclamation mark, and we close it at the end. Those are the rules. I don't know any other language who has that, and I don't know why. But yeah, in Spanish we have to open and close. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Remember that these two together make the sound y. ¿Cómo te llamas? And we pronounce every single letter except H. Yeah, you remember that. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Paula. ¿Y tú? My name is Paula. What about you? What about you? Me llamo Paula. ¿Y tú? Let's say me llamo Ana. Me llamo Ana. Perfect. So we have already introduced ourselves with our name. Now we are going to see the age. How do we ask for the age? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 26 años. Guess, how old am I? 26. Yeah, it's 20 and 6. 26 años. Yo tengo 26 años. What about you? ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? Then you reply with your age. Tengo 20 años. Tengo 23 años. Tengo 42 años. Tengo 63 años. Lo que sea. Perfecto. And now finally we are going to ask, where are we from? Well, where is the other person from? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Soy de Barcelona. Soy de Barcelona. ¿De dónde eres? Soy de Portugal. Soy de España. Soy de Japón. Soy de Madagascar, etc. ¿Sí? Es todo. Hemos terminado. Nos vemos. Un beso. ¡Mua!